You're running a service business. Your days are a whirlwind of quotes, schedules, invoices, and customer management. Amidst this chaos, a question lingers. Can Housecall Pro, your go-to field service management tool, truly handle the complexities of a full-fledged CRM? Let's dive in. Imagine this: you've just landed a big client. You're thrilled, but then reality hits. You need to manage their details, track interactions, nurture the relationship, and potentially upsell. Housecall Pro is great at scheduling jobs and sending invoices. But is it your one-stop shop for cultivating customer loyalty? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Housecall Pro does a commendable job at managing the operational side of your business. It's your digital toolbox for scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing. But a CRM is a different beast altogether. It's about building relationships, understanding customer behavior, and converting leads into loyal customers. So, does Housecall Pro have CRM capabilities? Technically, yes. It offers basic contact management, allowing you to store customer information. You can track job history and communication. But let's be real, that's just the tip of the iceberg. A robust CRM delves deeper. It offers features like lead scoring, marketing automation, sales pipeline management, and detailed customer analytics. It helps you identify high-value customers, predict their needs, and tailor your offerings accordingly. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just use a separate CRM and integrate it with Housecall Pro? Well, yes, you can. And in many cases, that's a solid strategy. It allows you to choose a CRM that perfectly aligns with your business needs and enjoy the best of both worlds. But here's the catch. Integrations can be complex and time-consuming. Data syncing issues can arise, and you might end up with duplicate information. It's a hassle you could potentially do without. So where do you stand? Do you stick with Housecall Pro for its core functionalities and explore additional CRM options? Or do you opt for a more comprehensive solution that combines the best of both worlds? The answer depends on the size of your business, your sales process, and your overall business goals. If you're a small operation with a simple sales cycle, Housecall Pro might suffice. But as you grow and your customer relationships become more complex, investing in a dedicated CRM could be a game changer. Ultimately, the decision is yours to make. Weigh the pros and cons carefully, consider your budget, and choose the solution that best supports your business growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.